Good morning, good evening, welcome to Mickey and my Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have something different, something that I like because it makes your life a little bit easier. And if you go out and need to turn something on inside your house, you can do it while you reaching the door or at the door. But I was contacted from Mark contacted me from OHMAX, from Amazon. It's a space-saving WP6 Alexa compatible smart plugs. This is how they come. Okay, it comes a group of 4. I believe it costs about $28. And when you open the box, right, they come 4 pieces. They came very well packed. There is this pamphlet which I suggest you read through it and go through it, although you have to you just follow the screen, because the first thing that you should do is download the app, the GHome app. This is GHome for Android. Okay, I already did that, testing the product. And then when you have the app, you open the app, you see that I have a smart mini plug already, and it's offline because I have all 4 on the box. I have an extension cord that we're gonna use to text it. Okay, I put an assign room, but I should have assigned it. I have to find out how to assign the living room to this plug. Okay. This is not the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the one. So I have an electrical outlet. Okay. You got 4, which you can use for different rooms to turn on. Like you assign a room, a bedroom, living room on assign, which is the one that I have, right? And device management. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I was able to change it from living room, because that's where it is. In the living room is gonna be this one. You're gonna see it right there. To change it, you just click these 4. Let's say when you set it up like I did as on assign, right? So you click in here and device management, right? And then you add a room, and you confirm, and it will change it from unassigned to the living room, which is what the first smart plug it is. Okay, so once you assign the smart plug, I don't have an Alexa. I'm trying this with the phone, with the app, because you can walk around. Let's say like I'm in the bedroom and it's getting daylight and it's cold, and I want to turn my heater, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to have to mount the camera and show you the plug of the heater, so you will see, because we're going to test on and off the heater. Okay, so you plug in this, right? When you set it up, that little light is gonna be blue and it's gonna be blinking fast. You just confirm in the confirm screen at the bottom part that the light is blinking fast. Okay, this is connected to your Wi-Fi. You can connect this to it's connected to my Wi-Fi, so you gotta know the password of the Wi-Fi when setting this up. Okay, so we are, and it's telling me that the socket is on. Okay, and so when they have this green button, that means that it's on. Even though you see it as a red over here, if you push that button, it's gonna turn the light off. Okay, and it's gonna tell you that it's off. It's gonna be off in there. If you turn this on with the red light, it's gonna be on. So how I work this up with my heater, I will have to turn the camera around. Here is the plug of my heater. My camera is not easy to mount. Let's see. I'm trying to get the heater back. Okay. Let me see if I... well, guys, I couldn't move because the heater is big and it's so dark that I couldn't move the thing. So you have your plug on your Wi-Fi. When I put this on, you hear that noise, that beep? That means that my heater turned on. So I use the control remote of my heater and I turn it on. Okay? You hear that noise? Now, if I want to turn it on off on my phone, right? We have it over here, it's plugged. You hear that? It turned off. You hear the heater again? It turned on. All I have to do is use my control remote and start the heater. Okay? So when you get to the app, you just click in here and click on and off on whatever switch you have on it. You can assign it to the bedroom, living room. What else? On assign, probably you should add, I should add the kitchen. But it's nice because you have 4 of this. I will have 4 of this. Okay, and you can assign it to all of your room. I'm going to unplug this because this one I'm going to use it for my charger for my phone. Okay, so, and you get 3 of them. So I like that. Okay, it comes they come with the protector. Okay. So, and you just follow the instructions on the booklet. It's very easy. It was easy to apparently at the beginning the app looked like it's gonna be a little complicated, but you just follow the instruction and follow the instinct and read a little bit of the book. I didn't even have to read the whole thing. Okay, so it was very easy, but at the beginning sounds like it's gonna, you know, complicated, but it's not. You just follow the instructions on the book and you will set it up in a matter of minutes. That's what I did, and that's how it's gonna stay. Okay, so and I'm gonna keep this because I'm planning to add one to the kitchen for when I do I use other devices like like the mixer for cakes and stuff like that. So this is it for my review. Okay, I hope you like it. I recommend the product definitely because I like the fact that I can connect the heater. Maybe you can connect other items like a light in there, like the like air fresheners that you connect in the outlet, but you don't want it on all day. If you or a light, a night light, you might connect a night light in there, and you just turn it on with the phone, wherever you are. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.